Hello everyone, this video is a quick sound comparison between the JBL Flip 5 GG versus the JBL Flip 6 CS version. Flip 5 doesn't have an equalizer feature on the JBL app, and of course, it also does not have a tweeter. The equalizer will be turned off on the JBL Flip 6 during this sound comparison. So my microphone is not the best for this type of video, but in real life, the treble is much better on the Flip 6, obviously because it has a tweeter. So which one is better? I would say Flip 6 because of the tweeter, makes it sound more clearer, and of course the equalizer setting in the app is there as well. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and also like this video just to help me out. Till next time, peace.